Hello, friends, and welcome back to another lecture on electoral bond analysis. This is Professor Arvind Prasad. In this lecture, we will look into the relationship of donors with political parties. Now, this is also going to be a very interesting study. The reason is quite often we have a lot of assumptions that this political party is sponsored by this donor, etc. etc. It may be true, it may not be true. But what exactly is the reality? It would be a good idea to look into the figures and make your own judgment. So let's start. For this, what we do is we open a new sheet and save it at our desired location. And now we go ahead and import the data of purchase, redemption, and two additional data that is the data of top 30 donors and that of branch code. Now I have created a sheet which has all this data and it is available in the link given below. So let's go ahead and import it. So we go to get data from file, from Excel file. And we import these four sheets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And click load to table and include it in the data model. Once we have done this, we hide these four sheets. And we get ahead with our analysis. Now go ahead and open the top 30 donors query. We rename the column as top 30 donors. That's done. Further, we inspect the purchase and the redemption. So in the purchase, what we find is that each bond has a prefix and a bond number. And in the redemption too, the bond has a prefix and a bond number. Now the bond numbers can be matched by matching the prefix and the bond number. But we cannot make a relationship between prefix to prefix and bond number to bond number because a many to many relationship is not possible. So we have to merge the prefix and the bond numbers and then match them. For this, what we do is we duplicate the prefix column and the bond number column. And we merge it. So we select both of them and we go to merge columns. And we click OK. So now that has been merged. So now each column in the merge column is nothing but the combination of the prefix and the bond number. Let us take an example, OL111. So let's come here and that's OL111. Now we rename the bond, that is the merged column, as combined ID. We do the similar in the redemption query. There we have it. And now we can go ahead and close and load. Now let's go to data and manage data models. We find that all our four tables are available to us. And now we can make the queries that we actually want. We hide what is unnecessary to us. And then we shift these tables this way. That is, we bring redemption here and we bring purchase here. Now we can create a relationship between the redemption and the purchase by clicking on combined ID and connecting it to the combined ID. Now we go to pivot table and create a new pivot table. Here, from the redemption, we pull down name of the political party in rows and denominations in the values. And we change this settings. So we click to number format and we select currency where we reduce the decimals to 0 and click OK. And then afterwards, we go up and go to purchase. And in purchase, we pull the prefix and put it in the filters and pull the bond numbers and put it in the rows. Now, when we come back here, let's select one political party. Let's say we select Aam Aadmi Party. So deselect all, Aam Aadmi Party. That's it. And then we go to prefix. And here, when we click all and we click it blank, now this refers to the bonds that were redeemed by Aam Aadmi Party, but for which no purchaser information is available. Now, if we go ahead and select all the political parties and click OK, this is what we get. For all political parties now, the information of blank, that is, bonds that were redeemed, but no information was available, comes to us. And the highest in that, of course, is Bharatiya Janata Party, which is 466 crores. So, if we go to see, all political parties have redeemed bonds for which no donor information was available. Now, this should sometimes worry us because this is not absolute transparency. We have not got all the information of all the donors. But nevertheless, if we take the total of this, it's not much. A total of this is not really much, and we can see it here. That's 623 crores. Now, that's a minuscule amount compared to the 11,000 odd crores that we have, or 11 lakh crores that the bonds were purchased. So it's a minuscule percent, but no, nevertheless, it's something which should worry us.